In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take notes and assign tasks in Zoom using Asana. This will help streamline your meetings and enhance your productivity by integrating these two powerful tools. First off, let's start by opening your Zoom app and logging in. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to enter your credentials. It's crucial to ensure that you are logged into the right account, especially if you have multiple Zoom profiles. Logging in ensures that you can access all the functions necessary for our task today. Once you're at the Zoom homepage, it's time to focus on the main dashboard. You'll notice several options available to you. For this exercise, our focus will be on the Apps section, which is where the magic happens. Go ahead and click on the Apps icon. This will take you to the marketplace where you can find and integrate various applications with your Zoom. Now, let's move on to the task of finding Asana. In the Apps section, you'll see a search bar. This is your gateway to finding the Asana app. Simply type in Asana and press enter. This should bring up the Asana app for Zoom among your search results. With Asana now visible, you'll want to bring it into your Zoom environment. Click on the Asana app from the list. This will lead you to a page where more details about the app are displayed. You should see an option to add the app to your Zoom. The next step involves clicking on Add. But before you proceed, it's essential to ensure that you understand what integrating Asana with Zoom entails. You're essentially allowing Zoom to interact with your Asana workspace, which will enhance your ability to manage tasks directly from Zoom. After clicking Add, you'll need to grant permission for Zoom to use Asana. A permissions prompt should appear, and it's important that you read through to understand what access you are granting. Then go ahead and grant the necessary permissions. This integration will allow Zoom to interact effectively with your Asana, making task management seamless during meetings. Once this process is complete, you should see a confirmation that Asana has been successfully connected to Zoom. Now you're all set. You can now utilize Asana within your Zoom meetings to take notes and assign tasks on the fly without needing to switch between applications. This integration is particularly useful for teams who rely on Asana for project management and want to ensure that their meetings translate directly into actionable tasks. You'll find that this workflow enhances clarity and accountability, ensuring everyone is on the same page and tasks are efficiently managed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps boost your productivity in your future meetings.